Hello, my name is Samantha, and this video is for the class General Chemistry 1 at Doane University. The assignment that I will be completing is the interactive advanced concept presentation number 2. The materials that I will be using in this experiment are Alka-Seltzer tablets, assorted food coloring, a paper plate, a plastic water bottle that's empty, a measuring cup, vegetable oil, and water. I will be demonstrating how to make an at-home lava lamp with these materials and describing what is occurring. The first thing I am going to do is fill this empty water bottle, this one, up a quarter of the way with water. I will do that off camera and then I will be okay. So off camera, I filled this empty water bottle with a quarter of the way up with water. I also peeled the label off just so you guys could see the interaction a little bit more. Let's see. Now I'm going to fill the rest of the bottle up with vegetable oil, leaving a small gap at the top. I'll do this also off camera. Okay, so off camera, I filled the rest of the way with of this water bottle with vegetable oil, and you can see that the bottom is the water, which is separated from the oil. And then I'm going to add 8 drops of this food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. See it in there. Now I'm going to open this box of Alka-Seltzer tablets, and then I will place 3 of them in there. I'll do this off camera. Okay, so I broke up the 3 Alka-Seltzer tablets right here, and then I'm going to place them into the bottle. Okay, as you can see, the solution is starting to bubble and the food coloring is mixing in with the rest of the solution that's water. When Alka-Seltzer comes in contact with water, a chemical reaction occurs which produces carbon dioxide-filled bubbles. Chemical reactions are when atoms are rearranged in a sample of matter. The chemical equation for this reaction is sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, and trisodium citrate plus carbon dioxide and water. Alka-Seltzer tablets are made up of citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. Alka-Seltzer tablets are made up of citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. When placed in water, the Alka-Seltzer tablets dissolves and forms trisodium citrate, carbon dioxide in water. The carbon dioxide bubbles are not as dense as the air or oil or water in the bottle, so they subsequently float to the top of the bottle. On their way through the water and oil, some of the water sticks to the bubbles and are dragged through the oil. When the carbon dioxide reaches the top of the bubble pops, and then the water molecules sink back down below the oil because it is more dense, thus creating the effect that you are seeing. Also, the oil and water do not mix because oil is hydrophobic, meaning does not mix with water. The Alka-Seltzer tablet and water reacting is an example of chemical change, while the food coloring mixing in with the water is an example of physical change. A chemical change is when a new substance is formed versus a physical change is no new substance is formed. After about 5 to 10 minutes, the bubbles will stop and the contents will settle because the carbon dioxide that was produced has been released in the top of the bottle and the Alka-Seltzer tablet is fully dissolved. Overall, this experiment was successful and showed the chemical reaction between Alka-Seltzer and water, as well as the different densities of water and oil and the physical change between water and food coloring. Thank you.